Sulfit clothing, t-shirts, hoodies, joggers, first link in the description as well. Go and check them out. What is up guys, welcome back to another video. So today, you've been pestering me for a while about this one. It is a Topman clothing haul. So I always do ASOS, I've just done H&M, we've got quite a few more in the pipeline, but I thought Topman should be the next one. So got the package, let's get into it. Got quite a few items, as I usually do, so I'm just going to take you through everything. All of the products will be linked in the description, like usual. If you're not subscribed to the channel, I do mainly do like fitness and fashion videos, just trying to give you tips and advice on what's worked for me. So please consider subscribing, like the video, let's get into it. Pretty big package, got a few coats, I think I've got a couple of blazers. But yeah, let's have a look at everything in here. So we've got two blazers, pretty nice colours. I think these are on sale, but I'll put these, hang them on the back of the chair for now. We'll do them in a sec. Let's have a look what we've got in here. Doing these hauls, I always forget what I buy. Let's have a look. Right, okay. So we've got a jacket, like a type of padded puffer jacket, a bomber jacket, which you know I love, in like an olive. What's this one? I think it's a Coach jacket. We'll have a look anyway. We've got a couple of pairs of jeans, because I absolutely love them from Topman. But they look sick, to be fair. And then, what's this? Muscle fit grey tee, a long sleeved polo, and a white muscle fit tee. So yeah, let's try all this on. Pretty excited, to be honest. Topman, I do like the stuff from there, and it's a little bit more expensive than ASOS, but some of the stuff and the fit is better. So I just changed t-shirts, or into a t-shirt, so I can try on jackets. I always like starting with the jackets. Let's try this grey one on first. I saw it on the website. It says £50 on the label here, but I don't think I paid that. I think it was in a sale. I'll put the price on the screen now for you. All the products will be linked below. So this is a size large, like I usually get in everything. And it is kind of coming out of the warm jacket coat season, but if I pick up a bargain, then I've still got it for next year, haven't I? So it's pretty nice. Nice and snug. That's going to keep you very warm. I like the colour of this. It's a bit like that Jack and Jones one I got in an ASOS haul a few weeks ago. It's got zip pockets as well. It's nice. A little bit short on the arms, which isn't great, and I know you guys can't tell, but it is a bit tight under the arms. I don't want it to rip, but this is just because I do go to the gym like 5-6 times a week. I am bigger than the average guy. Like, not to boast or anything, I'm just a bit like wider, a bit more broad. So if you are naturally a large, this is going to fit you. Maybe I should have got an XL. But it's a really nice jacket. So we've got this Coach jacket. It says on the label £40, but I think I paid less. Size large. I've not really got a jacket like this, so that's why I thought I'd have a look into it. I really like the navy colour. Navy is one of my favourite colours, I'd say. Nice, there is a little bit of padding in there. That's a pretty smart jacket, to be fair. Some pockets as well. And instead of a zip, it's got these pop things that you know I like, so it's pretty cool. I'd say this is more of like a going out coat, so you could wear a shirt underneath or a polo neck. Bomber jacket, size large, in like this olive khaki colour. I think this was £15. So let's see how it compares to the other ones I've got. Bershka, H&M, Zara, I've got all them. It's a different material, I'd say it's more like cotton based. it's very comfortable. I'd say it's not really an olive though, I'd say it's maybe a bit more, I don't know, like beigey. Do you think? It's a nice jacket though for the price. Does it fit, or is it? I think it fits bang on as well. This with a pair of dark jeans, white top. Love my bombers, don't I? This is really nice. I do like this one. A little bit more casual. It's decent. We've got this blazer. I think I ordered the wrong size though. So we've got this skinny fit, 42 reg. And if you saw my H&M video, I bought a 44 reg. And even that was too small, so I don't know what this is going to be like. I need a long really, and I do need a 44. I didn't even know what size I was in. Bloody blazer. So I need a 44. Long. But I really like the jacket, it's just too small. It's dead nice design. Really nice colour, like with that like blue and white tint. It's just way too small for me, look. I don't know if you'll be able to see on camera, but it is really tight. I don't want to rip it. Can't be going out like that, can I? Like I'm wearing my 15-year-old cousin's bloody blazer. I have to see if they've got a 44 long in this because I really like the design of it. Annoying. This one again is a 42 reg. This one's ultra skinny. This is going to be even tighter. I'm such an idiot. Why didn't I check the size? What I didn't take into consideration is last time I bought one of these, it was like at the end of my cut, so I'd lost size. But now I'm on peak of my bulk. I'm probably the biggest I've been since I was chubby. It's annoying. The whole sizing thing is pretty annoying. Whoa. This is wild tiny. Again, I like the design. That is less than ideal. I need a long. That's pretty bad. Don't bloody do me and just order what size you think. Actually have a look at the measurements. Because otherwise you'll end up with stuff like this, looking like a kid. So I've tried t-shirts from ASOS, Zara, H&M, all the brands, Pull&Bear. I've not tried them from Topman. So this is a long line muscle fit tee, £10, in white. This will be really nice undershirts if it fits. And obviously I've got Sulfit as well, but it's nice to try out all different brands just so I can give you a good comparison and give you my review on which one I think you should go out and buy, which one's the best for the price. If you've watched my styling video, I said a white tee is like an essential in every guy's wardrobe, so make sure you've got one. Don't think this has got stretch in it. So the sleeves are quite short and it's got slits in the sides, which is fair enough, but it's nice and long line. It's a nice fit, I like it. Obviously, if you're under 6 foot, I do not recommend buying long line t-shirts because it's going to make you look even shorter than you actually are. I only wear long line because I'm really tall and I hate my t-shirts like coming up and showing my stomach. It's my worst thing ever. Like I have a longer body as well. Longer body than legs, like longer torso. So for me, I can get away with it. But for guys under 6 foot, I don't really recommend it. So next up, we've got the same tee in a grey. I don't really have many grey t-shirts. Don't know why. Grey's a nice colour, isn't it? A lot of people seem to wear it as well. I think it's just because of the sweat patches it shows. Might be why I don't buy it. And same material, just 100% cotton, size large, £10. Really nice fitting tee. I'd say they're on a par with ASOS, but they don't have the stretching. just another variety, another variant. Never had anything like this before. Muscle fit long sleeve polo shirt in grey. Let's have a look. Got a bit of a stretch to it. I don't think this is long line. Not sure. No, it's not. But it's long enough. Now that's something different, isn't it? It's quite nice. Don't have to do all the buttons up to the top. Obviously I'm wearing grey joggers, so it's not the best thing to match it with. I like this. I actually really like this. This would be nice with a pair of blue jeans. I think this is my favourite thing from the haul, you know. I didn't think I was going to like this, but it's like between smart casual and it's something I've not got in my wardrobe, so I think this is going to be a nice addition. Yeah. Really nice fit. Now you guys know I love Topman jeans. I've got 2 more pairs and quite a few of you said in the comments why you get a pair of biker jeans. So I've been looking for a pair of them, like, you know, with the biker look to them. I've got a pair in like this faded black, and I've also got a pair of like light grey / blue. So we'll try these jeans on. Both £30 I think they were. Size 34, 32. As usual, got a nice design on the front. Nice colour. These are dead smart, you know. I really like these. Just something different, isn't it? Just a normal pair of jeans. They don't have rips in. I like that bit. Feels dead nice, you know. Kind of emphasises the quad as well. Really like these as well. So these are nice and tapered at the bottom. How I like them. This is like just kind of really light blue / grey. Like a blue tint of grey. Size 34, 32, like I always get. Super skinny. Yeah, Topman jeans are definitely my favourite behind Legend London. For the price, these are £30. Absolute bargain. Definitely go and check out Topman jeans, guys. So, that's everything in the haul. Topman haul done. If you do like any of the products, I think I've found quite a few decent things in there. Apart from the blazers that were too small, then all the products will be linked in the description. If you're not subscribed, why not? Just hit that subscribe button. Plenty more videos like this if you enjoyed it. Hit that like button and I'll catch you on the next video. Don't forget, Sulfit clothing, t-shirts, hoodies, joggers, first link in the description as well. Go and check them out. Catch you in a bit, guys.